Hi everyone and welcome to the next Crimean Tatar lesson. Today we are gonna learn personal pronouns. So let's get started. Мен means I, сен means you, о means he, she or it. Biz means we. Actually, here most of us just pronounce it like buzz. We just write it like bees, but most of us pronounce it like buzz. The same goes here. We write it sis, but we pronounce it like sis. But not all Crimean Tatars pronounce it like sis. Some of us say like it's written sis. So sis, biz, sis. Then goes olar. Let's repeat one more time. Мен, сен, о, biz, sis, olar. And now let's see it in practice. For example, yazmak means to write. And now we are gonna conjugate it in present simple tense. So, мен yazam, I write. Sen yazasın, you write. O yazam, he, she writes. Biz yazamız, we write. Siz yazasınız, you write. Onlar yazarlar, they write. Let's read it one more time. Мен yazam, sen yazasın, o yazam. Biz yazamız, siz yazasınız, onlar yazarlar. I would like to say that even if we conjugated yazmak in present simple tense, but right now I don't want to go really deep into that subject because now I would like you to memorize personal pronouns. So, and then later we are gonna go more deep into present simple tense. So, hope this lesson was useful for you. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comments below, or also you can write me on Instagram. For now, thanks a lot for watching. Sağ olunuz dostlar, and see you soon. Көрüşкенше.